Starting off with my Modern Renaissance palette, I'm going to be using this pastel pink shade, and I'm just going to use that as like my transition color, followed by this berry pink color. I'm going to be naming all these colors in the description box. And then following that shade, after blending, I'm going to be using this really dark red-ish pink, if that makes any sense. It's kind of similar to the second shade, but it gives that gradient effect, so I decided to use that all over my lid. Now using my NYX liquid liner, I'm just gonna make a small, tiny little wing, nothing too dramatic, because I want the colors to like blow out and show, considering the fact that I don't really have much of a lid space to begin with. Now I'm going to be priming using the Josie Maran Moonstone Drops, which has officially become my favorite primer. I can't live without it now, so you're going to be seeing it a lot. After that, I'm going to be using the Fenty foundation in 380, but this time I'm going to be mixing it with the everyhuebeauty in the shade 10, because I feel like the Fenty is too dark and then the everyhue is way too light for me, so we're just gonna create something. Oh my gosh, this always happens to me every single time, and if you can't tell by the video, I was pissed. Like, I was mad. Look at me, I'm like talking to myself, like there was nobody else there with me, and I'm like literally like just cussing. Anyways, I'm just blending my life away at this point, just trying to forget about what just happened. And I think I really like the finish on the mixture of the Fenty and the everyhue. It actually came out pretty nice, because the Fenty always looks way too orange. But anyway, now we're moving on to concealer, and this is the Naked Skin by Urban Decay. I actually love this concealer so far. It's a new addition to my products that I just recently purchased, and I'm just gonna blend that out under my eyes, as you can see, and everywhere else. I'm real messy, like just get used to it. I don't do things the perfect structured way that these beauty gurus or whatever, like I'm not a makeup artist, so I just do the thing, I just do it. So now I'm using my Fenty Beauty Match Stick, and I'm just contouring around the border, my cheekbones, trying to do a little nose contour, but honestly I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I literally just be winging it sometimes, because my nose is like very weird shape, so like it's hard for me to even contour my nose. So here I am struggling to contour my nose, so don't judge me. I like to take my foundation brush and blend out my contour, because it kind of like blurs it instead of like, you know, spreading that harsh like color all over your face. So like you don't want your contour to be looking like mad dark, like it just looks weird, you know, like it's weird. So anyway, I'm just gonna use this powder. Actually, this is a new powder that I just got, and it's bomb. It's the Forever 21. I did not just say Forever 21. For Makeup Forever HD. Actually, I'm gonna put the name in the bottom because I don't know what I'm saying right now, but it's by Makeup Forever, and it is perfect. Now I'm just gonna go in with that shade, the middle shade, and I'm gonna put that under my eyes. I think it was the middle shade, or was it the last one? We're gonna figure that out at the end of the video, and I'm gonna insert that in the description bar. Now I'm just taking some mascara and I'm putting that at the bottom, and now I'm using these lashes called Angelina and my Anastasia lip color. I forgot the name of this one too, but yeah, I'm gonna put that in the bottom. And I was very disappointed in this color because the box was dark, and when I opened it, it was a completely different color than what the box photo had on it. Now I'm just taking some mascara and putting it on my eyebrows, which I know is kind of weird, but I do that. I've been doing that since I was younger. I don't know why. And I'm just gonna like drench my face or whatever, and then use this Fenty highlighter in Killa, the Chic Phreak. Ooh, look at that. I'm just using that same highlighter on my brow bone, and that pretty much wraps up the whole look. I'm just gonna put some on my nose, and then we're done basically. I hope you guys actually really like enjoy this video and like give me some feedback and tell me what you think. Tell me if you liked it, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.